And now shifting focus, Manikarnika Ghat, one of Hinduism's holiest cremation grounds in Varanasi, has turned into a political flashpoint. Controversy erupted over the Manikarnika Tirth Corridor project after a raised platform was removed, sparking claims of temple demolition. Viral visuals of bulldozers and idols lying scattered have intensified the political heat. Here's a report.
Manikarnika Ghat in Varanasi, one of Hinduism's holiest cremation grounds, has turned into a political and administrative flashpoint. A controversy has erupted over the Manikarnika Tirth Corridor project after a raised platform or madi was removed during construction, triggering allegations of temple and idol demolition. The row intensified after visuals of bulldozers at the site went viral on social media. Images showing idols lying near the demolished structure sparked claims that ancient temples and sacred idols were being destroyed, echoing similar allegations made during the Kashi Vishwanath corridor works. As political temperatures rose, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath personally inspected the site. He rejected all allegations, calling them completely false, and claimed several viral images were misleading or AI generated.
महाश्मशान मणिकर्णिका का भी जो वहाँ उसको विकसित और व्यवस्थित करने का काम जो सरकार कर रही है, ये विपक्षियों को फूटी कौड़ी नहीं सुहा रहा है.
The opposition has rejected the Yogi government's clarification. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav said heritage must be protected, not destroyed. The Congress accused the government of attacking Sanatan traditions in the name of development.
वाराणसी में देवी अहिल्याबाई होलकर जी का कैसे मूर्ति को तोड़ा गया और मुख्यमंत्री आकर एफआईआर करा रहे हैं उन लोगों पर जो उस बात का खुलासा करते हैं, कहते हैं साहब ये एआई है. माफ कीजिएगा, ये एआई नहीं है, ये बेहयाई है.
They are breaking all the old temples, all the ghats, all the river areas, and we are opposing, and you know the FIR is going on with us. So it is a democracy. You tell me, it is not democracy. In democracy, we can say anything which is good for the people, which is good for the nations.
On Sunday, there were protests at the Ghat, leading to clashes with police. Many protesters were detained after they refused to disperse.
कुछ लोगों के द्वारा जो है विरोध प्रदर्शन मणिकर्णिका घाट पर किया जा रहा था. पुलिस के साथ जो है कुछ झड़प की गई और उग्र भी हो गए, जिसके बाद पुलिस को न्यूनतम जो आवश्यक पुलिस बल था वो प्रयोग करके उनको थाने में पुलिस हिरासत में लाके पूछताछ की जा रही है और फिर आगे की विधिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है.
With FIRs filed and politics heating up, Manikarnika Ghat has become the latest battleground involving faith, development and power in Uttar Pradesh. Bureau Report, India Today.